Hello, Sister Noise. Just so you know, I've been working on my Instagram proposal. Been working on the actual website. So here I've used Canva as one of my tools to share my work on Instagram. Here's my first post that I made of Elder Bednar. And here's my logo that I made. I made actually a couple pages of logos, trying to figure out which one that I wanted to use to promote my work. With this, I decided to start with prayer because that was what I got out of Journal Conference throughout this week, with the spiritual strengths being my topic. I could have done a lot more better when it came to my digital content, with creating and making some new pages and posts and possibly some new stories to do. I have about 6 followers, and I'm hoping by the end of the next report, those numbers will also go up, along with the number of posts and the number of people following as well. My target is to hit BYUI students or anybody who is seeking help within mental health or just any inspiration. I use churchofjesuschrist.org as my website because that's where all my material, pictures, messages will come from. With this, I write usually a paragraph or two of what I would feel, for example, like what prayer is to me, and then what I could do to help others feel prayer the same way. And then I've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hashtags. Going to experiment with how to use hashtags for the next few days or so to see if those are the ones that are bringing the main focus. And then, of course, I gave photo credit to the Church of Jesus Christ, and I put illustrated in Canva because I didn't want to put my name, but if you want me to change that, I will do so. So yeah, I've been using Canva, and I will store everything on YouTube for you to see. Thank you.